Welcome, today we're going to show you how to color calibrate your display in Windows 10 or 11. So the first thing you need to do is to hit on the start menu as you from here. After that you need to search for Calibrate. As you from here, you need to click on Calibrate Display Color. From here you need to hit on Next, as you from here on the down right corner. Now you need to hit Next, as see from here. Hit on Next again. And hit Next again. So, now from here you can just adjust your gamma. So you can make your gamma higher or lower as you want. So I'll click on Reset to Default. And then I will hit on Next. So now you can just hit Skip, Brightness and Contrast Adjustment. Or you can hit Next. I will hit Next. I'll see from here, just hit Next again. From here you can just try to adjust the brightness. I'll see from here. So you can just open the settings and adjust your brightness. So after that you can hit Next. So now using this photo you can adjust the contrast. Hit Next again. So from here you can adjust the colors as you want. So using this bar you can adjust the red color. Using this bar you can adjust the green color, and using this bar you can adjust the blue color. And from here you will have two options. One is to use the current and the new calibration, and one to use the previous and old calibration. I'll see from here. After you have chosen what you want, you can click on Finish on the down right corner to end the calibration. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.